my name is Sam, and this is another drag race. Let's roll! Today I'm driving the 2024 Ioniq5N. This could be my favorite car of the year. I've driven this thing for a week and I absolutely love it. I never expected to actually like an EV because generally I don't like them. They're great cars, but for me, always ice. But this one, it's a special one. And today, we're going to drag race it against the Tesla Model Y Performance. Beside the Tesla, we have the 2024 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT with the performance package enabled. And all the way to the other side, we've got the Acura ZDX Type S, more so like a GM. That car is a full GM car. That's like the Chevy Blazer EV. Literally, that car is a Cadillac Lyriq inside, in and out. That's a GM car. Today, we're going to compare these four on a drag race, roll race and drag race, to see which one is the fastest out of the four. And we're actually going to do a four-way race. EVs are not my favorite cars to race, not because they're not fast, but because it's a pain to get them to charge, maintain the battery all the way to the track, because the closest charging station for all of us is 45 minutes away from here. So we really have to conserve the battery before we run out. And these cars require 50% plus in some cases of battery to fully power the motors. If you're new to the channel, here's how we do the roll race and the drag race. The roll race, we start behind the cones. That gives us enough space to reach the speed all the way to the cone. At the cone, we go like this and then pedal to the metal. There is no radio calls. There is no need to flag down. People know once we get there, you go. And we do multiple runs to make sure that we make it fair. And in this case, that's what we're gonna do. The drag race, we start behind the racing lights where the cones are, all the way to the end line where we have the racing flag. That's a quarter mile. Now, let's talk about the specs.
First up is the 2024 Acura ZDX Type S. This one uses a front and rear motor, making combined 499 brake horsepower and 544 pound-feet of torque. It is equipped with a 102 kilowatts an hour battery, and it uses a front and rear motor direct drive transmission, but it weighs 5,938 pounds. That's a heavy machine. Next up is the 2024 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. This one uses the performance package, which has been enabled. In the US, it starts about $900 USD, in Canada about $1,200, which means it gives you 100 pound-feet of torque. Yes, which brings it up to 700 pound-feet of torque. And it makes 480 brake horsepower. It is equipped with an 88 kilowatts an hour battery, but it uses a 2 direct drive transmission, and it is all-wheel drive with a curb weight of 5,000 pounds. That's not a light vehicle. Next up is the 2024 Tesla Model Y Performance. Now this one uses front and rear motor. Combined, it makes 527 brake horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque. It is, of course, direct drive, and it is all-wheel drive with a curb weight of 4,439 pounds. It's not light, but it's not the heaviest for sure. Next one is my favorite car of the year at this point, and my favorite EV ever. 2025 Hyundai Ioniq5N. I have had a blast with this thing all week. Of course, it uses front and rear motor. Combined, it makes 641 brake horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque with a battery of 84 kilowatts an hour. Of course, it uses direct drive transmission, and it is all-wheel drive with a curb weight of 4,849 pounds. Again, heavy, but not the heaviest. Now, the first thing we're going to do is the roll race. And thankfully, all cars have their battery not necessarily fully charged, but they're all at about 80%, which should give us enough battery to use for the drag race and the roll race. It is also warm, which means the batteries will not drain as fast. Not my favorite thing to do to drag race EVs that are an hour away from the closest charger, but we have to do what we have to do. Let's roll. I am ready. So we're gonna go 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my God, this thing is fast. Wow! Whoa! Jesus! Oh my God! Wow! Woo! This thing is fast. This is... Wow! Man, that was crazy. Let's do it one more time. I just want to see like if we were lined up. Let's do it one more time. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God, there's no chance. There's no chance. Yeah, there's no chance. There's like 6 cars. Oh my God, this car is so fast. This car is so fast, it's scary. It's just scary fast. This car is so fast. There's no doubt in my mind. Oh my God, this is a fighter jet. What just happened? I am smoking everyone. Wow. Okay, I gotta slow down, slow down, slow down. Wow. Okay, this car is crazy fast. This car is crazy fast. That's, yeah, this car can beat anything on the road. I'm just gonna put it that way, guys. It's once I press the NGB, not gonna lie, brother, it's fast. Yeah. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and check out my other videos on my channel.